Hello, my name is Jan Bebbington. I'm the Director of the Pentland Centre for Sustainability in Business. As a group of researchers, as well as practitioners, we're interested in how social and environmental sustainability can be mainstreamed into purposeful business strategy. So this leads me to be very interested in the idea of resilience in family businesses. The resilience aspect is something that we have some of the primary expertise in. And there's basically two ways that people think of resilience. A very simple way is that after a shock, a system returns to its previous state. A more sophisticated way is that systems are always subject to shocks. So businesses are always having to adapt and respond to things in their environment. And as a result, resilience is about still managing to carry on and deliver what they need to deliver, even though there are those shocks and pressures on them. Of course, in the current time, we are really worried that some of those pressures and shocks have become stronger and more intense than they have before, whether it be climate change or biodiversity, but also the demands that are placed on businesses to address inequalities, for example. And so resilience in business is really about how organisations navigate that ever-changing and complex environment. I won't say too much more about family business because someone else will, but family businesses essentially are a really interesting place in which to understand those dynamics.